Hi, everybody. Coming to you today to talk to you about a way to make money on the road. This will work pretty much anywhere in the country. It's not going to get you rich, but it can be a lot of fun, but it can also be a little on the tiresome side. So, what am I talking about? Well, you'll just have to check us out right after the intro. All right, thanks for sticking with us. So, we're going to talk about mystery shopping. And mystery shopping, a lot of people have heard of it, and there's a lot of misconceptions about it. But I'm here to tell you exactly from my personal experience, and I've been mystery shopping now for well over 10 years, what it's like, how much money you can actually make, and is it really something for you? So first of all, mystery shopping can go across all sorts of businesses. I mean, dining, hotels, retail stores, price audits. If you've ever seen people in a store that had a little handheld thing and they didn't look like they were employees, but they were like marking down prices of different products, and they were doing what's called a price audit, and most likely they were mystery shoppers. Some mystery shopping, they have what they call revealed, but most of them are unrevealed. In other words, they are just that mystery shopping. You're a secret shopper. That's another term that gets used a lot. And depending on the shop and the instructions, you could be either. And I've done mystery shops where at the end of the mystery shop, I had to ask for a manager, and then I'd sit down with the manager and we'd go over the results that I had from the shop. And I've had others where it was just totally secret. You need to make sure they don't, make you as a mystery shopper, and you do whatever you have to do in the instructions, and you go home or you go sit in your car and you fill out the report. Now the thing with all these are their report, and how much they pay really depends. A lot of the fast food shops, they'll reimburse you for your meal and they'll pay you maybe $5 or $6. So you're not going to get rich doing this, but you do get a free meal. I've done some where I've made a few $100s, for doing a hotel or test driving, an expensive car. So there's lots of ways out there to do this, but the biggest thing you need to remember is you got to follow the directions, because if you don't follow the directions or you miss something in the questionnaire, then most likely you won't get paid for the shop. So you'll be out the money you spent on that, fast food place or that restaurant or whatever, and plus they may not select you to do another shop in the future. And that's the other thing. You pick what shops you want to do and you apply for them. Some of them you can instantly get assigned to them. Others you can't. They'll pick you. So it just depends on the company that's being shopped, the mystery shopping company that's doing that shop, and their roles and procedures. So it goes all across the board. But the first place you really need to start out, if you're really interested in mystery shopping, MSPA is the overall biggest organization, that kind of trade organization, so to speak, for mystery shopping. And you can be a member of it as a company or as an individual. And one of the things they do, besides give you a list of all their members, so you can go out and sign up for each individual company, which makes it a little bit difficult too. You have to sign up for each individual company. Is they also have what they call certification levels, and they have silver, gold certification levels can get you different front of the line privileges, so to speak, in getting selected for the good or the primo shops. I'm gold certified, and I have been for a very long time. It wasn't a very difficult test. It wasn't very expensive to get either, and it's paid for itself. So we're going to pull up some screenshots on the computer here. We're going to walk through the MSPA website, and we're going to look at a couple different mystery shopping companies and look at some of the possible things you can do. One thing I can't do because of non-compete, non-disclosure agreements is I can't show you a particular mystery shopping company and the clients that they work for. I could tell you that if you name the company, more than likely they have mystery shoppers. I have mystery shopped every fast food place: McDonald's, Hardee's, Zaxby's, Arby's, Burger King, Wendy's, all of them. I've done mystery shops, Marriott hotels, Hilton hotels. I've mystery shop a Porsche dealership, a Maserati dealership, IKEA's a big one, and Chipotle, Jiffy Lube. Jiffy Lube's a great shop. Everybody needs an oil change. You go do that, and you get the oil change, and you get paid. So again, unfortunately, I can't tell you what companies mystery shop for what retailers, but the biggest thing I can tell you is the MSPA website, how to get started in looking for them, and it's up to you how much money you want to make. Again, you're not going to make a fortune, but you could have some fun, especially if you like to eat out, because those are always popular. So let's take a quick look at this screen. Okay, so here on my computer you can see the MSPA America's website. Tons of information here. I'm not going to go over everything. Biggest thing I want to show you here is under Toolbox. Go down to Evaluator, because that's what you want to be. That's what you're looking for here. And it tells you what an evaluator is. Basically, it's an independent contractor. You will be getting paid directly from the individual companies. They'll either pay you via PayPal, or they'll send you a check, or some will do a direct deposit in your bank account. Depending on how much money you make, you may actually get a 1099 from that individual company. Again, it's each individual company. It's not MSPA. They are an oversight organization, for lack of a better term. So there's membership levels, plus levels $30, subscriber levels 0. I joined this at the subscriber level, which is free. I'm not logged in right now though. Just look around here, what you got going on here. Scroll down here to the bottom under evaluators. You got what is an evaluator, which you just looked at, member benefits, that's joining them, an opportunity board, certifications and training, online community newsletter. So let's look at the certifications and training. Certifications are not required for the most part. Some shops do require you be certified in certain things. And here's all of the different certifications they have. And as you can see, they're not really that expensive. I'm gold certified, which is this guy right here. Since I'm not a member of the organization, it cost me $100. And it's a lifetime certification. So once you get it, you're good. And that just opens the door up for higher money shops. So I recommend the gold. Don't get it right off the bat. Do some mystery shops first, see if it's something you like, and then go from there. So let's look at the opportunity board. Again, this is all stuff that's free, but you have to be a member to join. And that's the point I wanted to show you right here, is you can get in here, it can show you how to join, but one thing I can't do, because I've had to agree to a non-disclosure agreement with each one of these companies and MSP as a whole, is I cannot show you who they mystery shop for. They mystery shop for everybody. There's very few companies that don't have some sort of mystery shopping program. The biggest thing is, once you get in here, you can find companies in your area and pick the things you want to pick. You can do a McDonald's shop, you can go do a Hilton or a Marriott, or you can do a lot of other shops. But unfortunately, because of non-disclosure, I can't really tell you what it is, what company mystery shops who. I can tell you what companies get mystery shopped or how much you get reimbursed. I can just give you general things, which is what I've done in the past. That's the MSPA website, and that's mspa-americas.org. But let's just do a Google search for a mystery shopping company. And here's one right here, Bear International. According to their website, they are the most trusted name in mystery shopping. So when you find these companies, it may be difficult to find an evaluator sign up, because they're more interested in trying to get businesses to come on, because that's where the money comes from. It's the individual businesses. So usually if you scroll down at the bottom of these guys, you might find something. And here's not. I think what we've done here is I clicked on a link that was an ad. So that messed me up. So let's just go to their main website and see what happens. Okay, so here's Bear International Evaluators. Okay, cool. So let's click on that. Gives you some of the benefits. Going to allow you to become an evaluator. So you click on Become an Evaluator and you fill out a form. We'll select English. Our email. I'm already a member of this particular one, so I'm just going to put in a fake email. That's me to pick a country. Then I got to fill out a profile. Real basic stuff: name, email, password you want to use, city, state, phone number, demographics. Demographics is important because that's where they target you for picking you for jobs. So be honest here, fill that in as well. And for this particular company, they also go by area codes. That's very important. Put in the area codes that you're willing to shop in. And you can change these, and you can change any of the stuff at any time, so you're not locked into it. So if you're in one area and you move to another, which a lot of full-time RVers tend to do, you can just change the area codes. Or, as you can see, it's up to 5 area codes. You can just put in the area code you're in now and the one that's coming up. That way you don't have to change it constantly, and you'll be getting notified of the ones coming up in the area you're going to be at soon as well. Then you got your privacy policy, independent contractor agreement, which again, if you read through all that, that's going to say that basically you're not allowed to talk about who you shop for, how much money you got, or anything like that. So I can't sit here and tell you what companies I've mystery shopped for Bear International, but I can tell you I have shopped for Bear International. That's basically what the agreement means. So it's just that simple. Okay, so that's mystery shopping in a nutshell. Again, it's not the easiest thing to do, but it can be a lot of fun. It's about like a lot of other things you can do out there. It's all about your attitude when you go into it. But it puts some money in your pocket. It can put some food in your belly. You can visit some cool places for free or next to free, and just give it a shot. If it's something you might be interested in, go ahead and click. I have the link down in the description below to the Mystery Shopping Providers Association website. Get started there. You click on the links to the member companies there, sign up with them, and just give it a shot. Start small. Sign up for one mystery shop. Go try it out. See if you like it. Don't sign up for 15. Because again, some of the things that to be a good mystery shopper and to get the good mystery shops, get certified, silver or gold, or some of the other certifications they have out there. Put in timely reports, put in accurate reports, and when you have reports, you had to write descriptions of, make sure that you put in everything, be concise, be accurate. And the biggest thing with mystery shopping is you have to be truthful. You're not there to hurt somebody's feelings. You're not there to cover up anything. They just want to know the facts. So in your descriptions and the things you write, just state facts. Don't put in things like, well, I felt this way or I felt that way. It's like, this happened, that happened. Stick with the facts. Again, it can be a fun way, a fun activity. Make some money in your pocket. If you like this video, hopefully you've learned a lot. I want to give mystery shopping a try, but please give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Share it out with some of your friends who might be interested in learning about another way to make some money. If you haven't already subscribed to us, we'd be really honored if you would consider subscribing to us. Just hit that red subscribe button, and right next to that is the bell. Hit that bell and choose the all. That way you'll know whenever we upload new videos or we have live streams. We normally do a live stream on Sunday evenings at 8 o'clock Eastern time, so if you can, join us there. So again, like it, share it, comment on it, subscribe to us, be safe, and we hope to see you down the road. Thanks a lot.